Next question, sin inverse 12 by 13 plus cos inverse 4 by 5 plus tan inverse 63 by 16. This is already in terms of tan, so change the first two terms into tan. So sin inverse 12 by 13 can also be written as in terms of tan inverse, so tan inverse 12 by 5 plus cos inverse 4 by 5 can be written as tan inverse 3 by 4. This is already in terms of tan, 63 by 16. Here, how to change sin inverse into tan inverse? Take a right angle triangle, sin inverse 12 by 13, so 12 and this is 13. So to get the other side, under root 13 square minus 12 square, under root 13 square minus 12 square, so that is 25. Root 25 is 5. In the same way, here also take a right angle triangle, cos inverse 4 by 5, 4 and this is 5. So to get the other side, under root 5 square minus 4 square, which is equal to 9. So root over 9 is 3. So tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus xy. Plus tan inverse 63 by 16. Tan inverse 12 into 4 48 plus 5 into 3 15, 5 into 4 20, so 20 into 1 20 minus 12 into 3 36 by 20 plus tan inverse 63 by 16. So tan inverse 63 by minus 16 plus tan inverse 63 by 16. Before using this formula, we need to check x and y values. Y is 12 by 5 into 3 by 4, which is equal to 1.8, which is greater than 1. So if it is greater than 1, the formula is pi plus. So pi plus. Okay, but here we got minus, so it is pi minus tan inverse 63 by 16 plus tan inverse 63 by 16. These two are cancelled, so our answer is pi. Tan of 2 tan inverse 1 by 5 plus secant inverse root 5 by 2 plus 2 tan inverse 1 by 8. So tan of, okay, from these two take 2 common, tan inverse 1 by 5 plus tan inverse 1 by 8. Okay, plus secant inverse root 5 by 2 can also be written in terms of tan inverse by using right angle triangle. It will be 1 by 2. Tan of 2 into tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is tan inverse x plus y by 1 minus x into y plus tan inverse 1 by 2. So tan of 2 tan inverse 8 plus 5 13, 8 into 5 40, 40 minus 1 39 plus tan inverse 1 by 2. Tan of 2 tan inverse 13 ones 13 threes, tan inverse 1 by 2. Here 2 tan inverse x, the formula for 2 tan inverse x is tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square. So this is the formula for 2 tan inverse x. So we are using 2 tan inverse x formula here. So tan inverse 2 into x, so 2 into 1 by 3 by 1 minus 1 by 3 whole square plus tan inverse 1 by 2. So tan of tan inverse 2 by 3, this is 1 by 9, 9 minus 1, 8, 8 by 9 plus tan inverse 1 by 2. So tan of tan inverse 3 3s and 2 4s, So this is 3 by 4 plus tan inverse 1 by 2. So again we need to use this formula, tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. So tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus x into y. So tan inverse 3 into 2, 6 plus 4 by 4 into 2 8 minus 3. Tan inverse 10 by 5, 5 ones, 5 twos. So tan inverse can be cancelled. So the answer is 2. So this is right. Tan inverse 1 by 5 plus tan inverse 1 by 8 is tan inverse 1 by 3. Tan inverse 1 by 3. So if you remember like this, this will be helpful for other sums, because most of the other sums we can see tan inverse 1 by 5 plus tan inverse 1 by 8, which is equal to tan inverse 1 by 3. Next go to the other sum. Theta equal to cot inverse 7 plus cot inverse 8 plus cot inverse 18. Okay, change it into completely in terms of tan. So tan inverse, it will be reciprocal. So tan inverse 8 becomes 1 by 8, it's reciprocal. So cot inverse can be changed in terms of tan is 1 by 18. Okay, solve these two. So tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. Tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus xy plus tan inverse 1 by 18. So tan inverse 8 plus 7, 15 by 7 into 8, 56 minus 1, 55 plus tan inverse 1 by 18. So tan inverse 5 3s, 5 11s. So 3 by 11 plus tan inverse 1 by 18. Again use the formula tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. So tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus xy. So tan inverse 18 plus 18 into 3. 18 into 3 is 54. 54 plus 11, 65 by 11 into 18, 198 minus 3. So tan inverse 65 by 195. Tan inverse 65 3s. So tan inverse 1 by 3. Okay, again change it into cot, because cot theta. This is the question. So cot inverse, it will be reciprocal. So this is all equal to theta. Therefore cot theta equal to 3. Second one is right. So from these two, take 2 common. Tan inverse 1 by 5 plus tan inverse 1 by 8. Okay, this is secant inverse can be written in terms of tan inverse. It will be secant 5 root 2 and this is 7, and to get the other side in square root of 5 root 2 whole square minus 7 square, which is equal to 1. So tan inverse 1 by 7. So 2 tan inverse 1 by 5 plus tan inverse 1 by 8. In the last sum we did the same thing. So which is equal to tan inverse of 1 by 3 plus tan inverse 1 by 7. So 2 tan inverse 1 by 3 plus tan inverse 1 by 7. 2 tan inverse 1 by 3 from the last question, it is tan inverse of 3 by 4 plus tan inverse 1 by 7. Again use tan inverse x plus tan inverse y formula. So tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus xy. So which is equal to tan inverse 25 by 25. Tan inverse 1. 1 can be written in terms of tan. Tan 45 is 1. So instead of 1 we are writing tan of pi by 4. 1 is tan pi by 4. So tan inverse of tan pi by 4 is pi by 4. So the second one is the right answer. Next question. Cot of sigma n equal to 1 to 19 cot inverse 1 plus sigma p equal to 1 to n 2p. Cot of sigma n equal to 1 to 19. Cot inverse 1 plus sigma 2p. 2 into sigma n. Okay, sigma n, because p values are starting with 1 and ending with n, which is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 so on n. So which is equal to sum of first n natural numbers, which is equal to sigma n. So cot of sigma n equal to 1 to 19. Cot inverse 1 plus 2 into sigma n is n into n plus 1 by 2. So 2 get be cancelled. So cot of sigma n equal to 1 to 19. Cot inverse 1 plus n into n plus 1. So cot of sigma n equal to 1 to 19. If you want to change cot into tan inverse, you have to write the reciprocal of it. 1 plus n into n plus 1. Okay, cot of, now substitute in the n place 1 to 19. Sigma means sum of the series. N equal to 1. If n is 1, 1 by 1 plus 1 plus 2. So 1 by 3 plus tan inverse 1 by, if you substitute 2 in the place of n, 2 plus 1 3, 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1 7, plus so on. The last one is 19. So tan inverse 1 by 1 plus 19 plus 1 is 20. So 1 plus 19 into 20. Cot of tan inverse 1 can be written as 2 minus 1, and the denominator also changes to 1 plus 2 into 1. So it will be tan inverse x minus y by 1 plus x into y. So tan inverse x minus tan inverse y formula. Okay, in the same way here also need the changes. So 7, this one can be written as 3 minus 2, and denominator 7 can be written as 1 plus 3 into 2. 6 plus 1 7. In the same way, tan inverse 20 minus 19, and denominator write the same, 1 plus 19 into 20. So cot of tan inverse 2 minus tan inverse 1, and this is tan inverse 3 minus tan inverse 2, plus so on, tan inverse 20 minus tan inverse 19. Here minus tan inverse 2 cancelled with the tan inverse 2, and the remaining terms will be cancelled, and minus tan inverse 19 also cancelled. So the leftover, this is also cancelled. So the leftover thing is tan inverse 20 minus tan inverse 1. Okay, cot of tan inverse 20 plus minus tan inverse 1. So again we are using tan inverse x minus tan inverse y. Cot of tan inverse 20 minus 1 by 1 plus 20 into 1. So cot of tan inverse 20 minus 1 is 19, 20 plus 1 21. So but it is in terms of cot, so tan inverse can be changed into cot inverse 21 by 19. So this is cot of cot inverse, which is equal to 21 by 19. Simply we remember it is in terms of tan inverse, numerator is lesser than the denominator. Okay, in terms of tan inverse, numerator is lesser than the denominator, and the difference between these two is 2. Okay, if any sum comes in this terms of series, we can use this condition to get the answer simple.